You are going to love the 2011 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.